Sequel to my harsh and highly demotivating experience with interview of sales and marketing personnel yesterday, I thought I should offer some tips for success in sales and marketing interviews or any interview for that matter. Please note, an interview cannot be a test of knowledge. An interview is simply a test of attitude, because it's not possible to ask deep, pithy and complex questions in an interview. It can only be asked and answered in a written test. That's why most organizations have written selection tests followed by group discussions and interviews. When it comes to interviews, please note, it's very easy to succeed provided you reflect a positive attitude. Please note, whatever be your academic background, whatever be your knowledge level, when you join a company, you'll have to go through exhaustive and extensive induction training. So organizations are prepared to train you before putting you on a job. So what is required in an interview is not a reflection of your knowledge, but a reflection of your attitude. Now, how do you reflect a positive attitude in an interview is the quintessential question. See, for any question and every question, your answer needs to be that of a person who is willing to check it out, willing to take challenges. For example, in a marketing interview, if you are asked a question like this, a rather stupid question in terms of logic, but then in terms of its analytical and insightful nature, this would be a wonderful question. See, for example, in an interview you are asked, will you be able to double the turnover in your territory within 10 days of joining? See, it's obvious that it may be highly impractical and almost impossible to double the turnover in a territory in 10 days. So what should be the answer for this? See, you can always give a negative answer. So I think it's impossible. Or you can give a false positive answer. Both of them will not fetch you the job. The fake positive answer would be, yes, I think I can do it. Please note, that answer is rather hollow and unintended in terms of achievement. The interview board would be pretty sure and clear that you're trying to fool them and you're not an honest person. So what should be the answer to a question like this? The honest answer would be, sir, as you're also aware, doubling turnover in a territory in 10 days would be extremely difficult. But then, I am not the kind of person who would accept defeat without trying. I believe if you check it out and if the environmental factors are favorable, you can possibly do anything. So I'll definitely give it a try. Check it out. See, my environment is favorable. I may be able to do something like this. Achieve doubling of turnover in 10 days. It's possible. Provided the environment is favorable. So I'm not going to say no to this. I'll definitely give it a try. Look at the attitude. It is this attitude which will fetch you the job, any job for that matter. straight from a junior sales job right up to the job of the CEO. It's the attitude which counts. So reflect a positive attitude. Please note, a positive attitude does not mean giving fake positive answers. A positive attitude is a willingness to try, whatever be the challenge. It is not the fake assurance that you would do anything. Do not try to fool the interview board. They are much more experienced than you. It is not possible. Be honest. Be willing to check it out, try it out. And always tell them that the environmental factors are favorable. I would put my best efforts and dedication into it and try to achieve the impossible. I am not the kind of person who will give up anything without trying. This is the attitude that is required to succeed in an interview, in any interview. Thank you very much.